Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2000. That's right, 20. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so let's take a look at our agenda for today, for Thursday. We have a little bit of a brain challenge this morning. Wake up those brains of yours today and do some puzzling. So, your activity today is to team up with someone at home and try to figure out the answers to these three questions on our puzzle. If you are able to figure them out, email them to me. See if you can get them right today. You will do a great job. Remember to do our morning daily check-in. Still not at 100% of everyone doing it. Um, Hopefully we are able to do that. Maybe I will start giving some incentives for getting it done for when we return to school, something special. So let's take a look at our schedule for today. All right, so we have our weekly agenda. I think moving forward that I'm not going to put the example up here anymore. I'm just going to put the blank copy. It is definitely useful for you, but I feel like I go through the day here rather than on the slides themselves. But today you are going to be doing 7-6. This is not even right. So you're going to be doing 7-6 today, and then you'll be doing an ice slip at the end of the lesson. You are going to be watching videos about your research topic today and taking notes on it. And then writing, you're going to be using the last two plain boxes for your writing. You probably hear Matt. Oh boy, Matt. All right, Spirit Day today is Throwback Thursday. Take a look at maybe some home movies that your parents have from your childhood, even though you are children, but maybe from when you were a baby or a toddler, it'd be really fun to look at. I know I have a picture that I'm going to post tomorrow for the shout outs that I can't wait for you to see. Our extra finishers. Remember, these are optional activities for if you finish early in the day and you're looking for something to do. I'm not checking it, but if you want to send me something, that's great. One thing that I really would love for most of you to try out if you're looking for something to do is the Earth Day hat project, since yesterday was Earth Day. I thought it'd be fun if we did them all and we can wear them to our Zoom call on Friday. So if you have some time today, make a hat. All right. After looking at some Flipgrids tonight, I noticed that not everyone has done chapter 19, 20, 21, or 22 for their Flipgrid videos. So please make sure you do these today. I am checking them to see how you are doing with fiction reading and kind of using what you're saying in them as like a little conference. So please make sure you're doing those. So at the end of the day, 19, 20, 21 need to be due, and we'll be reading chapter 23 tomorrow during the Zoom and then have to finish Winn-Dixie next week. Like I said earlier, you are going to be watching videos today about your research topic. You will be first watching a video by Mrs. Haworth. If I said that right. Teacher from another school in our district who made a great video to show you what is expected today. And then you're going to use this note organizer to watch videos. All of these are links to videos that I have found personally for you, either on Epic, YouTube, or National Geographic. You are also more than welcome to find your own videos to use, but I figured I'd give you a little bit of help if you were looking for it. Math today, we're moving right along. You did a great job yesterday on the number line fractions. I was very impressed with your exit slips. Today, you're going to be learning if the number line is more than one, because number lines don't just end at one, they can go from all infinity. So we're going to be learning today about how a number line cannot just be a one hole, but it actually could be two holes too, and what happens when that What happens when that happens? Get me? You can see an example of a picture here, right? So this is one hole. And look, the number line keeps going. So I wonder what this would be. So I have a half, I have two halves, I have three halves. So that's more than a whole. So if you watch this video today, Mrs. Traverson does an awesome job giving a little lesson about how to solve this problem. And then you have an exit slip. These journal pages you need to do for the video. You do not need to send them to me though. It's like you're getting it done and you're practice for the day. The exit slip is very important that you do, however. And then always optional freckle. For writing, you are going to be doing the bottom half of your text, claims text sheet today. There are two videos that you can watch if you would like to have a little refresher about what character change means and life lessons slash themes. So take a look at those videos if you want a little refresher, and you're going to be taking care of those notes today. Next week, we're going to be writing essays with those notes. So please make sure you hold on to those things. Like always, we have science and we have social studies. Social studies today is National Picnic Day. I am not sure the weather tomorrow, but hopefully it's nice. Maybe you have a picnic outside. And if not, maybe you can set a blanket up inside and have a picnic and send a picture. So I hope you have a great day today, boys and girls. I hope I answered any questions that you have. Remember, the chat is open from 9 to 3. I will let you know when I take a lunch break, but it's usually at 1 to 2. And I'll be back and I'll always let you know if I am not there. If I don't answer immediately, that usually means I'm working on something, reviewing something, grading something, or possibly in a meeting. So if I don't answer it, try to figure it out on your own. Maybe a friend can help you, help each other out. But other than that, have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye, boys and girls.